Good day everyone. Today we'll be continuing our discussion with solutions chapter. Today we'll be seeing some questions related to depression in freezing point. We have discussed depression of freezing point in the previous class. So let us start. आज हम कुछ questions discuss करेंगे related to depression of freezing point or depression in freezing point. So let us begin with this depression in freezing point of what? Of solution. And when does this freezing point lowers down? When you add a non-volatile solute to solvent to prepare the solution. So the question says 45 gram of ethylene glycol. Question says 45 gram of ethylene glycol. Formula is C2H6O2. ethylene glycol का formula होता है C2H6O2. is mixed with 600 gram of water. Then the question says find what? First, depression in freezing point, and second, freezing point of solution. Freezing point of solution. In the question, you are provided Kf. Kf is what? Kf for water. You are provided Kf for water, which is 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. So go to the question. 45 gram of ethylene glycol, whose molecular formula is C2H6O2, is mixed with 600 gram of water. Then you are asked to find depression in the freezing point and freezing point of the solution. You are given Kf for water, that is freezing point depression constant for water is given, that is 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. So let us start with the question. Now I will rub this portion also so that I can use the entire space. So the formula which you will be using for this question is, we have discussed the mathematical formula for depression in freezing point. हमने mathematical formula depression of freezing point के लिए देखा था, क्या था? It is delta TF is equal to Kf into molality of the solution. तो हम इसी फॉर्मूले को यूज करेंगे in order to calculate. So हमें depression in first bit of the question says कि depression in freezing point calculate करना है, मतलब delta TF calculate करना है. delta TF calculate करने के लिए हमें क्या क्या पता होना चाहिए? Kf पता होना चाहिए, solvent का water का वो दिया हुआ है question में, and we should know the molality of the solution. So we know this Kf, but we don't know molality of the solution. Molality of the solution हम calculate कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि molality निकालने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? We need number of moles of solute present per kg of solvent. हम number of moles of solute निकाल सकते हैं because we are given that 45 gram of ethylene glycol is dissolved in 600 gram of water. So given mass of solute is 45 gram. Ethylene glycol is the solute in this case, and given mass of solvent is 600 gram of water. So हम molality calculate कर सकते हैं. So molality अगर calculate कर लेंगे तो we can find out delta TF. So molality is given by what? Molality is equal to given mass of solute divided by molecular mass of solute to find the number of moles of what? Solute divided by given mass of solvent in kg. ये वही नोटेशंस है जो हमने फॉर्मूला डिस्कस करते समय यूज किए थे. सो दीज आर द सेम नोटेशंस. सो what is how we can find the number of moles of solute? solute यहाँ पे क्या है? C2H6O2 है, एथिलीन ग्लाइकोल. सो व्हाट इज द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ एथिलीन ग्लाइकोल? आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. कैलकुलेट फॉर योरसेल्फ. इट विल कम आउट टू बी अराउंड 62. सो 45 given mass divided by the molecular mass will give you the number of moles of ethylene glycol, and it comes around 0.73 mole. 0.73 mole. Now we know the number of moles of solute. If we divide it by the mass of solvent in kg, we will get what? We will get molality of the solution. So let us do that. So molality is what? Molality is equal to number of moles of solute, which is 0.73, divided by mass of solvent in kg. Solvent here is water and mass of water is 600 grams. So we need to divide it by 1000 to convert it into kg. क्यों kg में convert करेंगे? Because molality is the number of moles of solute present per kg of the solvent. So molality of the solution comes out to be 1.2. Molality of the solution comes out to be 1.2. Now you know molality. आपको ये पता चल गया. We have been given Kf in the question, so we can simply find delta Tf, that is depression in freezing point, which is the first bit. So first bit कैसा है? ये first bit का आंसर क्या होगा? First bit depression in freezing point delta Tf will be, Kf is given. Kf for water is given 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse into molality 1.2. It will come out to be around 2.2 Kelvin. So depression in freezing point will be around 2.2 Kelvin. Depression in freezing point of what? Solution. कब हुआ depression in freezing point? जब आपने ethylene glycol को water में add कर दिया. So now we are asked to find the freezing point of solution. हमने depression in freezing point पता कर लिया. अब हमें solution का freezing point पता करना है. तो solution का freezing point पता करने के लिए क्या क्या चीजें पता होनी चाहिए? depression in freezing point पता होना चाहिए, और delta TF का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? That is depression in freezing point is equal to what? Delta TF is equal to TF minus T naught F minus TF. Delta TF is equal to what? Delta TF is equal to T naught F minus TF. ये क्या है? T naught F is the freezing point of what? Freezing point of pure solvent, and TF is the freezing point of solution. So delta TF, that is depression in freezing point, is equal to what? Freezing point of pure solvent minus freezing point of solution. So हमें इन तीनों चीजों में से दो चीजें पता है. that is depression in freezing point अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया है, वो कितना है? 2.2 केल्विन. freezing point of pure solvent या solvent क्या? what is the solvent in this question? It is water, and you know the freezing point of water. Freezing point of water is how much? 0 degree centigrade, or you can say 273 Kelvin. So अगर आप exactly लेंगे, so it is 273.15 minus TF हमें निकालना है. TF क्या है यहाँ पे? TF is the freezing point of solution. So we will take this thing this side and 2.2 that side. So TF comes out to be 273.15 minus 2.2, and we will calculate it. It will come around 270.95. 270.95. So दिस इज फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। आपने देखा कि फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट सॉल्यूशन का घट गया। पहले कितना था? वाटर प्योर सॉल्वेंट का फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट था 273.15, अब कितना हो गया? 270.95। क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज वी हैव एडेड सम solute to the solvent to prepare the solution. So this is a very basic question जिससे आपको फॉर्मूले का एप्लीकेशन अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए। Now let us discuss one more question which will connect the two colligative properties, that is elevation in boiling point and depression in freezing point. So the question says an aqueous solution of non-volatile solute and aqueous solution of non-volatile solute, an aqueous solution of non-volatile solute boils at 100.17 degrees centigrade, 100.17 degrees centigrade. At what temperature will the solution freeze? At what temperature? At what temperature will the solution freeze? Given, what is given in the question? You have been given Kb and Kf for water. Kb and Kf for water. Kb for water is 0.512, 0.512 Kelvin kg mole inverse, and Kf for water is 1.86, 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. Now this is the question. And aqueous solution means solution prepared in which solvent is water. So an aqueous solution of non-volatile solute boils at 100.17 degrees centigrade. At what temperature will the solution freeze? We have been given Kb, that is boiling point elevation constant of water, and Kf, that is freezing point depression constant for water. So we have to find what? We have to find the freezing point of the solution. So let us start. So first of all, in order to find freezing point of the solution, you need to know the depression in freezing point. कितना freezing point में कमी आई या कितना freezing point decrease हुआ, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए। So कितना freezing point decrease हुआ, ये पता होने के लिए क्या क्या चीज चाहिए? Kf है, molality. So हमारे पास Kf तो दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, but we don't know the molality of the solution. Now how to calculate this molality? This molality can be calculated by the first part of the question, which says that the aqueous solution boils at 100.17 degrees centigrade. So let us see. So the solution says that solution boils at 100.17 degrees centigrade, 100.17 degrees centigrade. So what is the delta TB? That is elevation in boiling point. Boiling point कितने से बढ़ गया? Because बोल रहे कि solution boil होता है 100.17 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे। In that case सॉल्यूशन जो है उसमें सॉल्वेंट वाटर है, तो वाटर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कितना होता है? 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, सबको पता है। और सॉल्यूशन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कितना है? 100.17 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। तो एलिवेशन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कितने से बढ़ गया? 0.17 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, बिकॉज इट इज गिवन दैट द सॉल्यूशन बॉइल्स एट 100.17 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। और आपको पता है कि बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर, दैट इज प्योर सॉल्वेंट, इज व्हाट? 100 degree centigrade. So what is the elevation in boiling point? Elevation in boiling point will be 100.17 degree centigrade. 100.17 degree centigrade minus what? 100 degree centigrade. So so it will be around 0.17 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इतने से बढ़ गया. फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द क्वेश्चन में ये हमें दिया हुआ डेल्टा टीवी, और डेल्टा टीवी आपको पता है, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस, दैट इज एलिवेशन इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, केबी इनटू एम. So we have been given Kb, we know delta Tb. क्या यहाँ से solution की molality नहीं निकल जाएगी? So once we know the molality of the solution, we can substitute because solution remains same. उसकी molality change नहीं होगी. वही solution पहले boil किया जा रहा है, फिर freeze किया जा रहा है. तो solution remains same. उसकी molality पे कोई अंतर नहीं आएगा. So molality यहाँ से निकाल कर यहाँ substitute करेंगे. So we can find delta Tf. अगर हमें depression पता चल गया freezing point का, हम सॉल्यूशन का फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट पता कर सकते हैं. सो डेल्टा टीवी इज व्हाट, हाउ मच, 0.17 इज इक्वल टू केबी इज गिवन हाउ मच, 0.52 0.512 इनटू मोलालिटी. अब मोलालिटी क्या हो जाएगा? फ्रॉम दिस मोलालिटी ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन विल कम आउट टू बी 0.17 divided by 0.512. Okay, we have found out what molality of the solution. Now we can substitute this thing over here. So we will substitute molality over there. So delta TF depression in freezing point कितना होगा? KF की वैल्यू दी हुई है. Yes, KF is given 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. इंटू मोलालिटी आपने निकाल लिया, 0.17 डिवाइडेड बाई 0.512. नाउ इफ यू विल कैलकुलेट डेल्टा टीएफ विल कम आउट टू बी फ्रॉम दीज थिंग्स, इट विल कम आउट टू बी अराउंड 0.62 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. व्हाट इट विल कम आउट टू बी अराउंड 0.62 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ना हमें डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट पता चल गया. अब हम सॉल्यूशन का फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट निकाल सकते हैं, बिकॉज यू नो दैट डेल्टा टीएफ इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर सॉल्वेंट माइनस फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर सॉल्वेंट, यहाँ वाटर सॉल्वेंट है. व्हाट इज द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर सॉल्वेंट? फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर सॉल्वेंट इज हाउ मच? फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर सॉल्वेंट इज 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड माइनस फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन हमें निकालना है. एंड व्हाट इज द डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट? 0.62 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. सो अगर आप कैलकुलेट, सॉरी this thing I am writing wrong. Sorry, freezing point of water is 0 degree centigrade. Sorry, this is freezing point of water is 0 degree centigrade. This is freezing point of what? Solution. This is equal to depression in freezing point. From this we can easily calculate what? We can calculate TF, which is the freezing point of solution. So TF comes out to be around 0 minus 0.62, that is minus 0.62 degree centigrade. Means the solution will freeze 0.62 degree centigrade below 0, that is minus 0.62 degree centigrade. So this is the freezing point of the solution which you are asked in the question. So kindly go through these type of problems from these topics. We will continue further with the colligative property from the next class. Thank you so much.